So guys, today was another volatile day in the series of volatile days that we have been witnessing. And as you can see right now here, market had the several moves, one on the upside, then on the downside, then there was this big stop loss hunting kind of a thing. And then it went up, then it came down. So it was a very volatile day and nothing unexpected, especially if you have seen how the last Thursday's expiry was. This was, I think, more or less in line. In fact, it was less severe as compared to the last week. Though something very interesting caught my eye today, right? So as you guys know that I have been trading in Nifty. I don't touch Bank Nifty. And the reason I don't touch Bank Nifty is because Bank Nifty is very volatile. Stop losses can get hit very quickly. Right, but today there was something very interesting that I noticed, and I actually felt a little jealous of traders who traded Bank Nifty today. So, I mean, you can see here, first of all, if you take a look at Nifty, first of all, from 15,775, 100-point kind of a move, very, very sharp move happened within 20 minutes or so. Then again, very sharp move on the downside, very sharp move on the upside, very sharp move on the downside. So this is what was the chart of Nifty. Okay. Now compare that to the chart of Bank Nifty. Right? Bank Nifty had a sweet range within which it kept oscillating throughout the day. Right. And as I said, I felt a little bit jealous of somebody who let's say did strangle on Bank Nifty, because if you would have sold your strangle, you basically minted money today on both sides, right? Again, this is all hindsight 2020, right? And this is also a little bit of a abnormality, because normally Nifty is more stable than Bank Nifty, but today whatever was the reason, maybe IT was going in another direction, Bank Nifty was going in another direction, right? So that resultant force caused Nifty to be a little bit more violent as compared to Bank Nifty. But that was one observation. I felt like maybe it's time for me to revisit Bank Nifty. So you guys will see some changes in my trading style in the next month or so. Of course, I will be adding Bank Nifty to my trading. So I will be doing Nifty and Bank Nifty. I will also be increasing my capital a little bit, so that it's just, we'll get a little serious about this expiry day trading. And I will be targeting a higher premium, right? So there are a lot of things that are in the works that we are testing, and everything all that I'm talking about will be done through algos, so that there is no manual intervention, right? Everything that we do basically should be done using our algos that are in place, and we have been testing them for a while now, so I believe that we are ready. So July is going to be exciting. I'm hoping that market will also be a little bit more charitable. But as far as today was concerned, you guys can see it was pretty much similar kind of a expiry day like last week. It was volatile. My profit and losses kept fluctuating. But since the magnitude of move was not as high as it was last Thursday, I was able to stay in the position. Stop losses were not hit as many times as they got hit the previous time. So ended up making some money. So I'm always thankful for that. So so the big picture is, guys, right now there is a fight going on between bulls and the bears. And the thing is that we don't know exactly who's going to win. Right, it's very hard to predict these things. So the only thing that we can do is wait for the situation to resolve itself. So the range currently the market is in between 15,750 to about 16,000. That range is where you will see a lot of volatility, right? Deep, all these dips will be bought, rallies will be sold. So all those things will happen. But once the range is resolved, life will become easier. So I'm hoping that would be the case from the coming week onwards. And I'm always, and I also hope that you guys made some money today. So with that said, I'm just going to wrap this thing up. I will see you guys next time.